This tutorial will show you how to install the Open Dyslexic font for use with Microsoft Office and other Windows programs. This font has been observed to help dyslexic people read faster and misread less words. The font doesn't work for everyone, but if it can help other students, then it's worth downloading since it's free and easy to use. The first thing you need to do is navigate to a browser of your choice, although Google Chrome is recommended. Next, search the phrase Open Dyslexic. It should be the first result, but make sure it's the one offered by opendyslexic.org. Click the result to navigate to the page. On the home page, a large green button in the centre of the page will say Download Now. Click on this button. As you can see, I've bought this before, but to new users, you will only see a purchase button and a donation amount. Type in 0 for the price since this is an open source project and can be obtained for free. Then click the green button below it, which will say Purchase. Enter your college email when prompted. You can give this font as a gift if you'd like, then click Get. This "Did you mean" bubble might appear for you, just click No if it's wrong and then click Get. Solve the CAPTCHA and click Verify, then you will be presented with a virtual receipt telling you that they've sent an email to your address and how much you paid. To get the font pack, you'll need to find the email from Open Dyslexic to get your download link. Go to Office 365 and then to Outlook, and check your recent emails. You'll first receive a thank you email, and then shortly afterward, an email with the subject line, "You got Open Dyslexic." Open this email and click the large View Content button in the centre. A new tab will be opened and you will be presented with your fonts. We will only be downloading the top one, since this is for Windows and Mac. However, you can also download the font for Linux, Android and iOS. Click the download button on the first one, then click the .zip file that it downloaded. I'm using two monitors, so mine opened on the other one, but this file manager window will pop up. You're going to install each one of these. The first one to click is regular. Double click it and you'll be presented with the font manager. At the top left corner of the font manager, there will be two buttons marked Print and Install. Click Install and wait a few moments. Once the Install button has been greyed out or deactivated, the font is installed. Opening Word now, searching for Open Dyslexic, shows you a font by that name, which you can use in your documents. Excellent. So now we just need to install the bold, italic and bold italic versions. To do this, go back to the File Manager window and click the next one, and repeat the steps you did to install the first one with all the remaining fonts. Once you've done this for all 4 fonts, you can close the File Manager and the Font Manager. Restart Word or the program of your choice. You can now use the font and all its variations. This will work with all Microsoft Office programs including Word, Excel and PowerPoint to name a few, but it will also work system-wide as it's installed in Windows files now. Please note that you'll need to do this for each computer you log on to. However, if you log off a computer that you've installed Open Dyslexic on, it will be ready and working the next time you log on, so after a while you'll stop needing to install it as you log on to more and more computers. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Produced for Scarborough Tech.